Good morning, good morning, good morning, my loves. So, this video is totally impromptu. I just felt the need to get on here and tell you guys about some amazing things that I've been trying. Excuse me if my face looks crazy. I'm not even in my normal setup. This was just a really random video that I wanted to do because I have been procrastinating on a lot of things because I'm trying to catch up on old videos first. And by doing so, I'm not giving you guys fresh reactions to products that I'm trying, or fresh reactions to ideas or things, anything that I want to do. Like, I'm putting it on hold, and by doing so, like, I'm not giving out the goods fast enough, if that makes sense. So I didn't even want to wait. I didn't want to do the whole lighting setup and everything because sometimes it can take so long to do all of that that it kind of deters me from shooting in the day. And I've been really, really sick the past couple of days. I don't even know what to describe. I don't even know what to call it. I don't know if it's sick or just, I just have not been feeling well. And so weak and just, I don't know. I think it's that time of the month is coming. So maybe that could be it. But long story short, I haven't been feeling well, and I don't want to make this a long video. I just want to tell you guys my first impressions and reactions to and results from using oregano oil. So yeah, because of that, I look dry, I look crazy because I just dropped my kids off on the bus, and then I did a workout, and because it's the first time in the whole week that I've been able to actually work out, and then I decided to just sit down and shoot this video. So forgive me. I know you guys don't like the whole talking too much, but girl, I'm trying to give y'all the tea about how I'm feeling and how this video came to be. Okay, for those of you who appreciate some good quality stuff, this is a random video and I need to explain myself. Okay, so I had to explain that. But anyway, you guys, I hope you guys are having a wonderful, wonderful week, or had a wonderful week, and you're having a wonderful Friday. This video is going up today, obviously, and I just finished doing a workout. I'm going to talk to you guys about oregano oil. I got this at the beginning of last week. I believe it was Saturday. Was it Saturday? I think it was. I think it was either Saturday or Sunday. So it wasn't the beginning of last week. It's the beginning of this week when I finally got this. I did, however, have the capsules. They're over there. I'm not getting up to go over there. But I also had the capsules last week prior to. And I'm telling you that because I'm going to tell you the difference between the two that I experienced. Now, I learned about oregano oil just being on YouTube. I don't know exactly how I came across it. It was the most random video, just random, and I decided to watch this video, and everybody's raving about oregano oil, and it led me to watching other videos of oregano oil and learning all the benefits and amazing things that oregano oil is good for. It's supposed to be a natural antibiotic. Basically, it's natural medicine. So if you have a cold, if you feel like you have a cold, or you're coming on to have a cold, you take this, and it's supposed to really, really help keep you from being sick. So I personally have never taken oregano oil. I've never given it to my children, but I have been very, very big on trying to find natural alternatives for my whole household, because I'm just seeing a lot of stuff, a lot of recalls on different medicines, a lot of recalls on all this. I don't have time for somebody to recall Tylenol on me. You know what I'm saying? I got kids. I'm not, So if I can find a natural way, I just don't like all these chemicals anyway. Like, when they get sick, I'm trying to get them to fight it. We don't do the flu shots in our household. So always trying to find natural things. My household is slowly but surely becoming holistic. I'm trying to make sure that we do as much as we can to have natural. We're taking our vitamins, natural oils, essential oils, and trying to incorporate that into my household as much as possible. So I was intrigued by oregano oil and all the great things that people had to say about it, and I decided that I was going to take a stab at using it on myself first before even introducing it to my children or my husband, on myself, and see what was going on. Now, you guys are not going to believe me, but I've had this earache for the past week. Even now, like, as I'm like talking to you guys, I'm feeling for it. I'm swallowing, and I'm like, and you know, when your ear and all that is connected, so when you swallow, you should be able to feel, I haven't been able to do that without pain for the past 3 years. I'm not lying to you guys. The past 3 years, I've had an earache that was painful, and I kept going to the freaking doctor. I kept having my ear checked. I had it flushed. I bought ear flushes. I've looked up videos for water, like for swimmer's ear, and I've been thinking like, can I put alcohol in my ear? But I'm scared. Like all the little remedies and stuff that are online, I have looked up, okay, and tried, but nothing worked, including going to the doctors, different ones, to have my ear freaking checked, because it just itched. It had its time when it would just itch so bad. It was uncomfortable. I would wake up out of my sleep because my ear hurt. It was bad, you guys. For the past, and so when I heard about oregano oil, this is what I really wanted to attack more than anything, because I've been trying to set up an appointment to go to the doctor, and for the life of me, like everything else, it has been procrastinated. It's been something that's been held off, because I'm putting other things before it, and it's really, really bad. I'm trying to do better with taking care of my health, but me putting it off was also a way for me to feel like this was probably a sign that I didn't need to go to the doctor again, for them to tell me one more time that it's not an ear infection. I need to clear my ear out. I had a lot of wax, because that's not what it was. I would clear out my ear, and that's not what it was. So I decided to try oregano oil, because I was like, I feel like I came across this video for a reason, and when I try this, we'll see if it helps. Girl. Or boy. So I got this oregano oil. The first thing I got, and I was hurrying up trying to get this oil, and I could not get it. It is not in the stores. To save the life of me, I could not find this in the stores. So save yourself the drama. Get it online if you're trying to try this, because I did not get to find this online. I've seen not online. I couldn't find it in stores. I don't know if it was in Whole Foods or Trader Joe's, but I didn't have time to go out there. I could not go out there. I asked my husband to go to the local beauty supply store. That's what you get from a beauty blogger. Local drugstore, to try to see if he can get it there. They didn't have it there, so this is something that probably is at Whole Foods and Trader Joe's. So if you want to check there, I would check there first. Don't check anywhere else. It's not there. It's not there. They don't have it there. Or GNC. I think GNC might have it. I think that's where I got my over-the-counter, was GNC. But they don't have it anywhere else. Save your drama. But I did end up finding it online on Amazon, and that's when I got the drops. But I did get the capsules first before the drops. I was pressed for the drops, but I could not get the drops fast enough. And I figured, why not take the capsules, because everybody's saying it tastes so horrible. Now listen to this part, because it's very, very important. I know it tastes horrible, but I feel like there was a difference from me taking the drops versus me taking the capsules. So that is to be considered when you're going to go and purchase. For me, anyway, I don't know. Look it up some more. But for me, I've learned that just getting the actual oil, actual drop, actual anything, sometimes the capsules don't even give you enough, or they have other things mixed in it. I don't know. It just did not give me the same reaction. I used the capsules for a whole week, and I felt no difference. No difference, nothing. And then I got the drops. I was pressed, and I went and I got the drops on top of it. And all I was doing with this was, at first I would put it in some tea, some lemonade, not lemonade, some iced tea. And it smells strong and spicy. I can't even explain the smell. People were describing it as spicy, but I would not describe it as that. I don't know. I would not describe it as that. So I don't know how to like put that into words, but it has this really strong smell. And if you can't look past that, you can't. I drink apple cider vinegar every day. So with me drinking apple cider vinegar and getting used to that strong smell, not a lot bothers me. I can kind of get past it if I know it's going to help me. And I think something that has a bad smell is probably good for you. So, I don't know. That's my logic with certain things, is that if it doesn't taste good, doesn't smell good, it's probably good for you. Well, no, because alcohol isn't necessarily good for you. But we drink it anyway. But you get what I'm saying. Anyway, all that to say that I did get the drops. I didn't want to get the drops before because of the taste, just to try it. The capsule did not work for me. I went ahead and I got the drop, and I've been using the drop in my tea, my iced tea at first, but now I've gotten to the point where I could actually just put it in some water and shoot it back, and then I also make a really special fixer elixir mix. And that just entails like putting a couple of drops of this, my maca powder, my biotin. I have a couple other oils anyway, lemon oil. Like I put them all in my tea, and then I make this tea. And it depends on what tea I want to drink that day. I have different kind of herbal teas that I like to drink. Some honey, mix it all up, and then I have my tea. And that's how I was taking this, especially this past week since I wasn't feeling well. And you guys, excuse me, I wasn't feeling good like all through my body, but my earache, I woke up one morning and I was like, I felt like I could hear more out of this ear. I felt like my ear, just the pressure that I had on this ear is gone. Like I don't have the same pressure anymore. It's the weirdest thing, you guys. I don't know how to explain it, but it feels good. Just know that my earache is gone. I know it's gone. Let me pump my brakes. It's only been 5 days. So I'm going to wait and see if this thing is fully gone, but I'm going to keep treating it. I'm going to keep drinking the oregano oil, and they do say for you to not to drink it too long. But I do want to go ahead and try to drink it a little bit longer. This video is getting longer than I wanted it to get, but I really wanted to share my experience with this. I'm going to leave it here. I'm just going to let you know that for now that it works. I like it. My earache is gone. I'm wanting to share that experience. And then I'm going to go in and I'll do a separate, shorter, faster, quicker tutorial video on how I use it. If you guys would like to see that, please comment down below. And I would do that and make it just as fast as it. Well, no, this one wasn't fast, but I'll make it a fast one. So this was a talky video, okay? But it's to give you the real tea on how I was feeling, what I've been dealing with, and how I feel like I fixed it. Oregano oil, right? And the kind that I have here is Source Naturals Wellness Oil of Oregano. It's standardized to 70% carvacrol. Okay, this is 1 ounce of it, and it comes in the dropper, so you could drop it in. You're only supposed to use about 1 to 4 drops, 2 to 4 drops, I believe. You could use 4 drops, up to 4 drops, and I've been using 2. I've been only using 2. I haven't upgraded to 4, but we'll see. Yeah, I love it. It does have, this one does have extra virgin olive oil in it because you do need to dilute this. You cannot drink it straight without it tasting a certain type of way. It just, it's gross. But that's all I wanted to say for this video, guys. I'm going to post it now. It is 12 minutes in, and I know you guys are pissed at me. I'm going to go and finish my workout and take a shower, and I will see you guys in the next video. I hope this helps somebody that's just wondering, like, does it really work? It does work, or hasn't heard of it. Now you could go look it up and look up shorter videos because mine was kind of long, and I will do a tutorial if you guys, if I get enough comments, if I get at least 50 likes on this video and a few comments asking me for a tutorial, I will do a tutorial on how I use this and 3 of my favorite mixes for it so far to make it not taste so bad and for you to be able to drink it. Oh, and how to get your kids to drink it too. All right, you guys, I love you so much. I hope this helped, and I hope you have a wonderful Friday, and I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Stay well, be happy, be true to yourself, and stay royal. These impromptu videos are hard. Bye, y'all.